Do you ever notice that your baby always looks to the right or has a little tilt in their head that never goes away? That's not just a preference, it might be torticollis. And if we don't fix it, it can affect their head shape, how they crawl, and how they walk later on. But the good news, I'm going to show you exactly what torticollis is, how it shows up, and then 3 things that you can start doing to help your baby start turning both ways. You can fix it at home with 3 simple steps. Torticollis simply just means one of your baby's neck muscles is too tight. Usually the sternocleidomastoid, big word. It pulls their head in one direction and makes it hard to look the other way. This muscle goes from behind the ear to the collarbone. If it's tight, it pulls the head down and turns it. Kind of like you only trained one side of your neck at the gym. And babies don't even go to the gym. That's how unfair it is. Now I'm going to give you 3 simple steps on how you can fix this. Step 1, change your baby's environment. If they always look to the right, then put their toys, devices, and even you on the other side. You can even feed them using your other arm, lay them facing the other direction in the crib. Even diaper changes. Make them turn to see you. Your whole day becomes a gentle nudge. This works because you're changing the habit. The tightness is physical, but the pattern is mental. All of these small changes are going to add up. Step 2 is a gentle stretch. Lay your baby on their back. One hand goes on the shoulder. The other hand slightly guides the head towards the opposite side, like ear to shoulder. Then hold for about 5 to 10 seconds. You're not yanking, you're just encouraging movement. But you should only be doing this when the baby's calm and alert. Not after feeding, and especially not when they're angry. Otherwise, it'll just be wrestling. Step 3 is tummy time, but with a twist, literally. Here's the difference. We're not just gonna put them on their belly and then walk away, but we're gonna build rotation into tummy time. This part's important, so listen carefully. Lay your baby on their stomach. Then, you want to place a mirror on the side they usually avoid. If they don't look, just lightly guide their head in that direction. The goal is more time on their belly, more strength in their neck, and more turning to both sides. A pro tip is you can prop their chest up with a roll towel under their armpits. This makes it so much easier, especially early on. And if your baby hates tummy time, you are not alone, so don't worry. The best thing to do is start with just 30 seconds of it, about 5 times a day. It builds up really fast. Now here is the real cheat code. This literally always works. What you have to do is make it their idea. Let me explain. Your baby isn't going to turn their head just because we want them to. We are not that important. But if there's something they actually love, a mirror, a rattle, a screen, just not your face, that's what will do it. You want to put this right outside their comfort zone. Not the exact opposite side, but slightly off, aiming for just the most teensy amount of progress. And then, wait, just let them do their thing. And remember, this should not feel like you're forcing them. If you set this up right, your baby is going to stretch itself without even knowing it. Okay, let's say a few weeks have gone by and your baby is still not improving. He's still leaning to one side and just tucked in all the time. If you've gotten to that point and you think you really tried your best, it might be time to get an evaluation. Just remember, early help is always better than waiting. You don't have to stress, just don't ignore it. Here's something to keep in mind. Flat spots, delayed rolling, even weird crawling patterns can come from untreated torticollis. So it's never really just a preference. The nice thing is, babies are really adaptable. They're just waiting for the correct setup. If you help them move differently every single day, just a little, it's gonna add up. So reposition, stretch, make tummy time sneaky, and if you do need help, make sure to get it early. You've got this. And after everything is over, your baby's head is gonna look so symmetrical.